Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make Xbox in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one is we're gonna go for creating a plant. So it would be earth plus water right here so that you'd have plant, and then you want to go for earth plus wind right here. And then once you have earth plus wind, you have dust right here. So you want to add earth into it so that you'd have planet, and then add a fire into it to create sun, and add another fire to create solar. And then you want to go for a planet so that you would have system, and then fire into the system to create computer, and then another system to create software. And then the next thing is we're gonna add earth to create game. And now once you have game is that you want to add computer into the game so that you'd have gamer. Once you have gamer, you want to add game so that you'd have gaming. And then once you have gaming, you want to go for a system, add it to gaming, and then you'd have Xbox. Now you can just remove the plant, which is an access. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.